Hey guys, this is Jen with the Real Florida Life, and we are in Sanibel Island. After getting a comment like this in one of our videos, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of progress and how the beach is looking. I know a lot of you guys are coming soon or maybe for the winter and you want to know up-to-date status of the island. So the plan for today is to do some shuttling, see what we can find in the beach, and then we're gonna go get some food, souvenirs, see how the island is doing, drive around, and at the end you'll decide if this comment is true. So come with us, grab a cup of coffee, and enjoy Sanibel Island. If you haven't seen our previous videos, go to our channel. We make videos about Southwest Florida. We have a little bit of boating, shelling, fishing, just enjoying as a family and bring you guys along with us. Thank you for the likes and all the comments. We also got this comment from Christine to bring water shoes when you're visiting Southwest Florida. There might be some debris, some broken shells. Overall, just bring them, and it's better to be safe than sorry. I'm not seeing a lot of shells today, but let's keep looking around. But look at this beautiful lightning whelk that I got. So the beach today looks really nice, and another thing I noticed different from last time we were here is that I see more work being done in this building. Actually, if you see workers in that window right there, it looks like there's a lot of work being done. It's exciting to see how things are being repaired. People, as always, enjoying the beach. We had enough sun and water for today, so let's go get some food and drinks. So now we're here on Jerry's supermarket in Delhi, and we're gonna go there to get a coffee because I need caffeine right now. Chances are you probably already know about Jerry's food if you've been in the island before, but if you haven't, it's a great place for breakfast, lunch, grab some grocery items, and I heard the key lime pie cups are amazing. So it's also a supermarket, so you can get anything you need. We always stop by Sanibel Surf Shop to see what's new and just to have a good time. Davey always gets a toy here. So they have everything you need, from swimsuits to sunscreen to souvenirs to a lot of shells. David always want to come see the alligator heads.
Because they die.
Alright, let's drive around the island and see how it looks. And while we drive, I want to talk to you about some of the questions I get. And one of them is where to stay, where can I stay? If you're looking for like hotel resort style, I made this video, where can I stay in Sanibel CAPTIVA. I will put the link in the description. Next question is best beaches for shelling, and that will be for me Blind Pass, Turner Beach, and Gulfside City Park as the top 3. But I will say when it's a good day for shelling in Sanibel, you can be anywhere in Sanibel and you're gonna get something good. So just make sure you come at low tide. Normally that's in sunset or sunrise. Check the weather and you should be good to go. So this is not a question, but it's more about news. And Sanibel will be replacing more than 70,000 tons of sand in the beaches of Blind Pass and Turner Beach. According to the news, they will receive approximately 70,000 tons of sand from Stewart Mine in Emulaki. And this is a comparison of what Blind Pass looked before Ian. And this is what it looks like after Ian. So now they're gonna fill that up with some sand and hopefully protect the road. Alright, so we're gonna go to Rachel Pierce Art Gallery and Market. And there's a group of businesses that have gathered their goods there and set up a shop outside the gallery from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay, I'm taking over. I really wanted to stop in this.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Is it okay if I make a video of this?
You sure can.
Thank you. So pretty. Do you paint these?
I don't paint, I'm camera paint. I've got another neat thing when you get down there. I've got the these bricks are out of the lighthouse.
Oh my gosh.
So that's fun too.
Yeah. This is so beautiful.
Oh,
She
it's
hand
fun to
paints
have
it.
stuff from
Right, like a
know.
little souvenir. Wow. These are only 19.
$10 and 19. The bricks are 99 because they cost a little more than they're the original.
Right.
But they're fun.
They're
All
fun.
fun, you know.
I would definitely come check this out. I love little places like this. They have beautiful things and they have an art gallery. And yeah, I liked it. It's fun. Now we're gonna go get ice cream.
Chocolate.
Those are chocolate bananas. Do you like this one?
Yeah, I want more.
Victoria, do you like?
I
Art by Terry Gardner. Look at this beauty. Look at this one. Wow, we got this missing leg from the Hurricane Ian. For you and I.
Yeah. It's a lemon pound cake and it's not super sweet, which is great.
No, I need to grab
David loves it. It has like chunks of cake in it. Jugo de.
So they're doing some sort of video there for Amazon Prime. Looks like Amazon Prime, right? Vicky?
Yeah, they're doing like a commercial for it.
So cool. I hope to see it. She Sells Seashells is back open, so can wait to visit soon. Now we're getting back to this comment. And I will say that we've been back to the island since they reopened the first beach after Ian. And yes, it's a little shocking. The island is by no means perfect, but you have to come here with positive mindset. I promise you, you will still have a beautiful vacation. There are around 50 restaurants and shops open in the island right now.
Okay, that's all for today. We will definitely be coming back soon. Watch our other videos. Yeah, subscribe.
Daddy,
Say bye-bye, Sanibel.
Daddy, bye.